Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by disassembling the pen machine and separating disposable from reusable parts so cross-contamination stops now. Remove the cartridge, grip, and any O-rings. Keep screws and small parts in a labeled tray. Once done, flush the grip housing with warm water to remove ink, then place metal components in enzymatic soap for a short soak. Make sure to wear nitrile gloves throughout. This reduces contamination and protects your skin while you move to deep cleaning. You now run a deep clean. Place metal, autoclave-safe parts in an ultrasonic cleaner for 5 to 10 minutes to dislodge ink and biofilm. After ultrasonic, rinse with sterile water and dry thoroughly using lint-free wipes and brief, compressed air bursts to reach recesses. Once dry, autoclave items that tolerate heat. For plastic or electronic housings, wipe with 70% isopropyl alcohol and allow full evaporation. Make sure to avoid liquids near electronics. And you finish by reassembling the pen with clean hands, installing new O-rings, and applying a drop of machine-safe oil to bearings. Only a drop. Excess attracts debris. Once assembled, run a low-speed test with a practice needle to confirm smooth stroke and normal sound. If the machine vibrates oddly, stops, or runs hot, make sure screws are snug, the motor alignment is correct, and bearings are debris-free. As a quick fix, re-clean suspect parts and repeat the test. Persistent faults mean professional repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.